I wanted to do a quick video review of the Wrangler 3-pack set. We just got back from a 2.5-week trip with lots of travel, multiple different flights, and lugging everything in and out of cars and hotels and stuff, and they held up really well. It definitely scratches easily here, but I think that's to be expected, and nothing like broke, no zippers broke or anything. The rolling is really smooth. They're pretty light in general, and they also have this thing on the back of each that you can use as like a cup holder, or you can hang stuff from here, and then you can also plug in a portable charger, and it has USB and USB-C in there, and that's on all 3 of them. And then all of them also expand, which came in really handy when we didn't repack as neatly. And then the last thing is that it comes in one box, so all of them fit together, fit inside of each other for storage, which is another great perk because now you have to store all 3 of these bags. So highly recommend. I think that they'll hold up for a while, definitely worth the price.
So I bought this suitcase because it's a little bit bigger than what I normally use, and it looks sturdy. It actually, what sold me, to be honest, is this little cup holder back here, which, I mean, come on. I didn't use it, but I'm sure I will someday, right? And then back here is the little charging port. It's super easy to access. And it was not a room. I just got back from Pismo Beach, so I haven't totally unpacked. But this in here on this side is where you would access that charging port to charge it. It's through there somewhere. Here we go, right there. Yeah, worked perfect. Loved it. Glad I got it, and I think you will be too. Making this video just to show what happened to the wheel in Denver and the weather. It melted the wheel. I'm hoping for a replacement because I've only used this luggage 2 times. Well, I'm sorry, a total of 3 times. I've gone to Mexico in February. I went to New York in June. But this was not anticipated, and because of it, it doesn't roll or work any longer. And this is the smallest one of the luggages, the carry-on size. So I would need another, but that wasn't anticipated. The other 3 wheels are fine, but almost wilted, and that one melted in the heat of Denver.
Show you what I'm talking about. Now, as they were putting it on the conveyor belt, the seam had started to bust here. And as you see, you can see the white stitching. And it came like that. All the way around, it was like that. I had to expand it so you could see it a little bit better. But anyway, the whole plastic piece, it's like rubber, and honestly, it's crap made. So yeah, it was a great suitcase. Loved it. Got to use it twice.